Hi, I'm Eric, co-founder of Performance Tech Solutions, and today's video tip is using Google Trends. Google has a great tool to tell us what's going on in the world of search according to Google. Let's take a look. If I go to Google and search for Google Trends, I have a link to their tool. First thing I'm presented with is a dashboard of things that are trending inside of this world of search. This isn't very good information to us right now. This is just based on what's happening according to Google in search. The other thing to keep in mind is that all of this information is just about what's happening in Google. This isn't about information that's happening in Bing or any other search engine, just Google. So let's take a look at how we can use this tool to help us. At the top, we have an ability to search Google Trends. Let's pretend, since we're close to Father's Day, that I have barbecue grills to sell. So I'm going to go ahead and see what's going on with searches for barbecue grills. Now I'm presented with some very useful information. We can see what the interest is over time. So as an aggregate, it looks like there's a small trend upward in grills. And we can also see that there's a wave that goes up and down. And this makes sense. So at the peaks, we're looking at summer months. And in the valleys, we're looking at winter months, which makes total sense for barbecues. Worldwide, it looks like Canada and the United States are most interested in barbecues. So let's see what's happening by state. So now if I break it down by state, we see that there's more trends in Arizona and Nevada at this moment. Compared to other states, which makes sense. It's probably starting to they have weather more conducive to barbecuing over the year. So if I were to actually break it down, I can actually break it down by the metro area. So now we can see by the darker blue where more searches are happening. So we can see Phoenix, Arizona. Here's some in Seattle, Denver area. I can even go down by city. So here's San Diego, Los Angeles, there's some Las Vegas, there's Phoenix again, there's some in San Antonio. So this kind of makes sense. So how we can use this is when I go out to buy ads to be placed in Google or on their search engine or any place else, maybe I want to say that I want to target my ads to only go into San Diego or Los Angeles, because it wouldn't make sense right now to target ads in Chicago. This isn't saying that there are no ads in Chicago. All it's saying is that it's not trending in Chicago. So don't waste your money on ads into Chicago for barbecue grills. Try San Diego and Los Angeles. So that way your ad is served up more times, because that's who's searching for barbecue grills right now. At the very bottom are related searches. Here's some more ideas of search terms. So how to barbecue. So maybe you want to write a blog post about how to barbecue. Do you sell gas for barbecue? Or maybe you can write a blog post about how the gas works, or how to mine the gas, where does the gas come from for barbecue grills. Do you have recipes, etc. So here's some trending, closely related terms that will give you some ideas about content for your site. And that is a very fast introduction to Google Trends. This is a very powerful tool. You can spend hours looking for keywords and search terms that you want to write about or place ads on to increase sales. If you want more information about search engine optimization, finding keywords, or even more information about how to manage a really good website, take a look at come and visit us at performancetechsolutions.com. Thanks.